Hi there, Chris from Jellyfielders here. When it comes to running a small business, finding effective ways to save you time without compromising on the high quality of work you deliver is essential. So with that in mind, we thought we'd share with you 5 things that we can't live without. And just so you know, none of the programs or apps we are about to discuss are sponsors of this in any shape, way or form. We just love using them. Aside from having a deliciously fun name, Colorslurp is an inspired little app for your Mac or iOS device that lets you access the colours on your screen in just a few clicks. The Pick Colour function turns your pointer into a colour identifier, letting you scan the interface to see the unique hex code for every colour it touches. Once clicked, the app slurps up the colour, allowing you to make any necessary adjustments via the dashboard. The app also allows you to save palettes of colours together, so you can keep track of multiple colour schemes simultaneously. For you iOS users, Colorslurp turns your device's camera into a colour picker. Point the lens at anything and it will capture the colour you choose and present complementary colour palettes automatically. Matching the client's chosen colours is essential when working alongside brand guidelines, and Colorslurp makes a once challenging task super simple to complete. Later is a social media management platform designed to remove all the stress of running your social channels. It's more than just a scheduler to release your content. Later also has tools to help you create it and analyze the performance of your channels. If you struggle to find the right words for your posts, new AI-enhanced features can suggest new hashtags and even write captions. Seeing your schedule laid out clearly and then dragging and dropping your posts across the calendar couldn't be simpler. Each of your social accounts are easily distinguished so you can stagger publishing at different times. The most professional creator needs help and assistance now and again. Whether brushing up on new skills, learning about the latest software, or utilizing vast stock libraries, Motion Array has everything and much, much more.
I'm sorry, how much more?
Much?
It is quite a lot. That's a lot of much, that is.
Curated with filmmakers in mind, the vast selection of royalty-free music, video templates, motion graphics plugins, photos and sound effects will provide solutions and inspiration for any creative project. It's not just access to a wealth of visual content that you'll get for your membership. Experts also write blogs and tutorials to help you along every step of the way. Currently in the beta testing stage and free to use online, Adobe Podcast AI is the audio enhancement tool that editors have been waiting for. If you've ever had to work with sound recorded under challenging circumstances, meet your new best friend. Sometimes it's a bad microphone, other times it's a busy location. The reality is, every video maker will encounter sound problems at some stage. Upload a sample of your questionable audio to Adobe Podcast AI and you'll quickly discover if it's worth submitting the longer piece for enhancement. Having been processed by machine learning algorithms and general whiz-bottery, the results are often startling, if not exactly perfect. You'll need an existing Adobe account or a new free one to access the tool. File size is currently limited, but it is only a matter of time before Adobe is done with the free public beta testing and the podcast enhancement magic will be hidden behind a paywall or integrated into their application suite. When producing videos for social media, a key component is including subtitles. It is essential for improved accessibility, and as most of the videos on social media are watched with no sound, audiences now expect subtitles as a standard. LinkedIn, YouTube and Instagram have auto-generated caption functions, which are fine if you want to manage that process natively on each platform. However, you can use the Kaptioned app if you'd rather have the subtitles embedded in the raw file. Record the video on your smart device, and once opened in Kaptioned, the app will analyze the content and create a timed transcription. It's easy to play back your footage and adjust the caption's wording, spelling and timing. Once you're happy with the results, you can use a free watermarked version of your video or pay for a one-off or subscription-based access to unbranded exports. The final video with burnt-on subtitles is then saved to your camera roll, ready for broader distribution. So there you have it, 5 things that Jellyfielders just can't live without. What are some of the things that you can't live without? Why not tell us in the comments below, and if you've enjoyed this video, why not hit subscribe?